The world keeps moving forward. We change, and so do the things that surround us. Today, everything has become much more simple, and I get the information the way I want. Out with the excessive. I'm used to making things happen fast. I want to have it all easy. And under control, every time, everywhere. On top of that, I want it all to squeeze into my schedule. And everyone hates waiting, of course. Oh, stop it, stop. It's not going to work. Wow, I'm not the only one who feels that way. It's so good to have a handy bank that can make things happen upon touch at no extra cost. And that's there for me 24/7. Like a good friend, you'll start laughing and say a perfect bank like that doesn't exist. Well, it does, and we've created it. This is Touch Bank Card, and this is Touch Bank. Hello, I would like to set up an account with your bank. With pleasure. 10% per annum, payable every day. Can I link other cards to Touch Bank Card? Yes, you can leave all the other cards at home. I would also like to take a loan. How much exactly? Yeah, that much. I'll give it back in 2 months. If you say so. Touch Bank. In tune with you. All of these we did in Russia. Why? Because the more difficult the challenge, the more awesome the result. Russia is the largest internet user market in Europe. Currently, there are over 8 million clients in the affluent and mass affluent segment. 40% of online mobile usage is related to online banking. We have gathered a team of incredible experts in our sleek modern office because great creative ideas tend to come to mind in a proper environment.
We got a feel of the pace of modern life, analyzed the trends, and created a bank that fits into one card and a smartphone.
And we deliver this card quickly within every city of our operation. If you have any problems whatsoever, you can contact us any way you like, even through social networks.
In addition to analyzing the financial behavior of our customers, we include their lifestyle context such as web interactions, mobile usage, and social media.
We use cloud IT infrastructure to run our bank core, with large IBM integration stack, advanced website, and a lot of back-office systems. Our customer relations use cloud technologies too, namely Salesforce.com. And so does our contact center. It is in the Orange Cloud. Yes, it was a challenge to put it all together, but we did it, and we have to do much more to get on top of the business.
Our goal is to reinvent the banking by demonstrating that it can be done in smart, intuitive, and yet human way. We believe that smart tech banking with personalized and responsive solutions makes customers feel esteemed and highly valued.
"89 cities in a year. Nice, eh?" Millions of people learned about us, and a whole lot of them liked what we have to offer. Meanwhile, we keep moving forward. And no one can stop us.